All right, folks, there it is before the sun comes up. McAfee Knob. We're going to stay up here and take a few pictures for a little bit.
Over there.
Early morning, sunrise. I think it's coming up from over there. McAfee Knob. There's the sun starting to peek its way up. Yeah, good morning everybody. It has so far been a awesome day. We started at the McAfee Knob parking lot. Zen Master met us there and we hiked up to McAfee Knob. I think we started hiking up at about 4:30 in the morning. Get up there for the sunrise and it was quite amazing. As the picture showed, I don't know if they're going in before this section of the video after showed. And of course, say we, it was me and Durwood, and beautiful spot. And the hike up was actually not that brutal. It was people friendly, so even though we night hiked it. So it was a good time, and I am hiking. Got some other stuff off of Tinker Cliffs coming up here. Do some videos there. And then it's a straight shot into Daleville. So looking forward to that. And a good day of hiking. So that's what I'm doing today. Having the time of my life still. And doing a downhill right now. So got to be careful. All right, more later. BT out. Now look at this rock. Looks like it's ready to tip over. Just kind of sitting on that rock. So that's where the AT goes through. Hopefully it won't tip over when I go through it. All right. Headed to Tinker Cliffs. Be there in a couple minutes. All right. Coming up a little side trail to Tinker Cliffs. I took my own side trail and was off trail for a couple minutes there. Turned around and found out I was in the right place. I was actually walking down there somewhere. But here's a great view. Another one the AT is providing me today with some awesome weather. So I am pretty happy. Nice valley down there. Just look how the valley ridge just runs down there. Unbelievable. Here's some more of the cliff edges over here. This is about 9 or 10 miles after McAfee Knob. So that leaves me with about, I don't know, 8 or 9, maybe 10 more to go. So, good day. I'm going to zoom in, see if I can zoom in on this house that's down there. Not close enough, but probably a pretty cool place. All right, more later. All right, so here's another one. There's the rock ledge. Unobstructed view. Sometimes this stuff makes you feel like the luckiest person in the world. Like right now. Folks, this is the actual AT. This walk is amazing. Walking right along the cliff edge. You can see the white blaze there. Coming out over this. That's a crevice there. Won't step over. Come out to this one. That's another crazy view. And jump back over the death-defying step there. That's quite a spot out on the AT for sure. So that might be it for the day when it comes to views, but man, it was worth it. All right, we'll see. PT out. All right, another cliff view here. A little bit lower, but that's a pretty cool looking farm right there. And it is crystal clear today. Hope that shows up on the camera. Great day. Finally some good weather. There's another beautiful overlook on a day of amazing views. I would suggest anyone to do the hike from McAfee Knob up over Tinker Cliffs, or vice versa, Tinker Cliffs up over to McAfee Knob, especially on a day like this. Another beautiful view.